Alright, so whenever we purchase something, we are driven by two things: what gives us the most value for the cheapest price. So in this video, I'll be showing you the best budget dash cams under the price bracket of 5,000 so that you save yourself a lot of money and also still get a good value for the money you're spending still on it. So let's take a look at the top 5 dash cameras which are currently under discount on the Amazon sale. So these are my favorite dash cams and you should definitely check this out before making that purchase decision. You're watching Travel Tech, let's get started. So starting the list with the most value for money dash cam you're ever going to get, well, at least in 2024, I'm talking about none other than the NEXDIGITRON A2. Yes, this newly launched dash camera by NEXDIGITRON definitely gives you the most value for money, and there is no other dash cam that can rival it in terms of the features it provides. So this dash cam comes in two different variants, GPS and the non-GPS variant. The GPS variant generally comes at a price of 4,999 rupees, but in this current Amazon sale, the dash cam is priced at about 4,749, and the good thing is that you can get extra cashback using your ICICI card up to 230 rupees. So that brings down the effective value to about 4,500 rupees for the GPS variant. Similarly, for the non-GPS variant, it generally trends at a price of about 4,500 rupees. But in this Amazon sale, the current price is discounted to 4,249. On top of it, you can get extra credit card cashback, bringing the effective value to 4,000 rupees. So this is one of the best deals you can ever get because you're getting a GPS, a display, a 1440p resolution, voice control and whatnot. I mean, as I told you, this is the most value for money dash cam you can go ahead under the 5,000 price bracket. Moving on to the next one, I've already talked a lot about this, the 70mm M200, quite surely the only camera which comes with a Starways 2 sensor under the budget segment. So this camera also performs very well and gives you some excellent number plate readability at night, especially when the cars are under the glare of your headlights. So this camera supports HDR and shoots at Full HD 1080p resolution. It also gets voice control, parking mode and supports memory cards up to 128 GB. This camera too is priced generally at 4,999, but in this Amazon sale it is priced at about 4,200. Again, on top of which you can get credit card cashback, bringing down the effective value to 4,000 rupees. That's a steal deal, that's an awesome deal for a Starways 2 powered budget dash cam. Do not waste this opportunity to get the 70mm M200. Moving on to the next camera, this is one of the classic dash cameras, the most famous and the most popular dash cams under the budget segment. I'm talking about none other than the DDP Mini Pro. This camera provides a 1296p resolution. This is based on a super capacitor. It gives you parking mode, it has Wi-Fi and also supports memory cards up to 256 GB. This camera generally trends at a price of 3,999 rupees, but in this Amazon sale, the discounted price is about 3,419, on top of which you can get credit card cashback, bringing down the value to about 3,200 rupees. That's also a super cool deal to get the DDP Mini Pro. The next dash cam which I'm going to talk about is probably the only camera which has a OBD2 parking kit right in the box. You don't have to purchase it separately. Yes, it's none other than the Nexron A3 Pro, and this camera is specifically designed to give you that parking surveillance, to give you the parking mode along with your low voltage battery protection in order to save your battery in extended parking mode durations. The video quality of this camera is also unrivaled and matches right up to the DDP Mini Pro and the M200 levels. So this camera is generally priced at 4,999. There's no straight up discount from the dealership, but you can get a credit card cashback, bringing down the value of this camera to about 4,600 to 4,700 rupees. So if parking mode and parking surveillance is your priority for the purchase of a dash cam, the Digitron A3 Pro is one dash cam which you should be really checking out. So the last and the fifth dash cam in the list purely comes within this list because of its ultimate low price and the ultimate value for money it offers for such a cool budget price. I'm talking about the NEXDIGITRON Neo. Yes, this dashcam is generally priced at 2,999, which is basically 3,000 rupees, but in this Amazon sale it's already getting a discount and the price comes to 2,849 rupees, on top of which the credit card cashback, if you add it, the price effectively comes at about 2,500 to 2,600 rupees. I mean, imagine a budget camera as low as 2,500 which gives you a 1080p resolution, a detachable mount, a rotatable design, it's got Wi-Fi, it's got super capacitor, it's got a 128GB card support and whatnot. So the next Digitron Neo is for someone whose budget is very tight but still want to get the most out of their money. This camera really excels at doing that, and it's the sole reason it belongs in this list. So these were my top 5 dash cameras to purchase in the budget segment of 5,000 rupees in the current going on Amazon sale. The links to purchase each of these dash cams is given in the description below. So just head down, click on the link and purchase your favorite dash cam at a super amazing discounted price, which you probably are not going to get again anytime soon. Do not waste this good opportunity, this exceptional opportunity to get yourself a dash cam and keep yourself and your family safe on the roads. If you have any doubts or queries regarding any of these cameras or this sale as well, you can always write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in saving yourself some money and making that correct purchase decision, it's time you went ahead and subscribed to my channel right away. And also don't forget to hit the like button of this video before moving on. Also don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and the WhatsApp pages. The links to each of these is given in the description below. I'll be posting regular updates on these platforms as well. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.